Hello, I'm Joe Anderson, and this is one of my buildings. But we have a big flooding problem. Let me show you. So when there's too much heavy rain or the tide gets too high, all of this water, it goes crashing through our doors and everything, it's ruined. So I found a solution. These barriers are amazing and unique, and anyone can quickly install them. I can put it in an individual door like this, or you can protect an entire entryway or any large space just by using the extension pole. All of our apartments are safe, our offices are safe, and all of the cars are dry. Now I'm recommending them to all of my partners because they are strong, long-lasting, and easy.